I'm joined by Shashikant Dahuja of Shriram General Insurance. Thank you so much, sir, for talking to ED. Now, just want to understand, sir, we have seen that most of the automakers have passed on the 18% reduction. A few are giving additional discounts also. So now, for smaller cars, pricing is down by more than around 18%. So how that has impacted the premium of insurance premium for the cars also, especially the new cars?
Now, if we talk about the premium for the new cars, I think those insurance companies who are having a portfolio of new vehicles, they will have an impact on their OD loss ratios. Because if you will see the data which is on the public domain, I think the OD loss ratios behave around 60 to 70% for most of the insurance companies. Now, if because of this GST impact, now there will be a reduced IDV on their portfolio, hence they'll charge less premium. So definitely they will have a, you can say, negative impact on their OD loss ratios. As far as my thought is concerned, on the old vehicles also there will be an impact, but not. If I compare this with the new vehicles, on the new vehicles it will be more as compared to the old vehicles.
Okay, so in a new vehicles for insurance premium, how much the net insurance premium will go down?
Like suppose if the GST has come down from 28 to 18%, so there will be a reduction of 10% pricing. So the same way premium will come down. Let's say if I am charging a 2% rate, so now on 100,000, let's say IDV, now I'll have to charge the same pricing on 90,000. So it will have a reduction in the premium. It will have a negative impact on the loss ratio also.
10% premium will also come down.
Yes, obviously.
So somebody was paying 80,000 premium as the insurance premium. Now they will pay around 72.
Yes, right.
And sir, my second question is related to the reinsurance. How in the last 6 months reinsurance pricing has changed and impacted the insurance industry?
Now, if you must have heard the word called climate change. Now, it is now putting an impact not only in Indian market, even at a global level also. Now, we have seen in the last few months' time, lot of floods are happening in the Indian market. Lots of rain is happening in the Indian market. In the last 6-7 years, I think almost every state have got those kind of floods. Even cloud bursting has started happening. We have an example of Uttarakhand. We have an example of Jammu Kashmir. We have an example of many parts of the countries. So now, this will definitely have a negative impact on the reinsurance pricing. But luckily, we don't have the kind of catastrophic event we have got in the last few months' time. Have not much losses as compared to if I compare it with other countries. But you never know, in the next few years' time, if it keep happening this kind of cat events, it will definitely have a negative impact on the reinsurance pricing.